Okay, guys, today we're going to make something very cool. I don't know if it's unusual, but for me it's normal. I'm going to make a digestive with strawberry. Fragole in Italiano, and we call this fragolino. Gonna be digestive. It's very easy to make, like limoncello, stuff like that. Liqueur. We need half liter of pure alcohol, and this is a half kilo of strawberry, organic strawberry. You know, I use the pure alcohol, 96%. Okay, I buy this in the supermarket. Anyway, the first step. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check out our website cookingwithanitaliano.com. We do always stuff al bacio. First step, take a jar and just chop rough your strawberry, okay? When we cut this, we're gonna store it in the dark room temperature. Is okay even 2 weeks, but if you leave 3 or 4, even better, you know? It's up to you. I'm gonna leave this 1 month to marinate in the pure alcohol, and later we're gonna prepare the syrup, and the first part, guys, is already finished. You take now your half liter of alcohol, pure alcohol. If you don't find the pure alcohol, you can try with the pure vodka. It's not the same, but can work very well. Now, this, you close it. Well, before you close it, give a nice mix, like this. And now these guys go in the dark. I'm gonna leave it 30 days. See you in 30 days. Okay, guys, the fragolino after 40 days. The strawberry, they completely white, you see? And now we're gonna do the syrup, okay? 750 ml of water, put on gas. It's very easy. The flame gentle. 450 grams of sugar, okay? Put in. Now leave there until it's completely gonna dissolve the sugar inside, and later we're gonna leave to cool down completely, and we're gonna add the liquid. It's basically this pure alcohol without the strawberry. Inside we're gonna mix, and we're gonna put again in jar without strawberry, and we're gonna leave at least a week. It's ready to drink. See you when everything is done. Okay, guys, turn it off. It's 5 minutes. It's completely disappeared the sugar. Now we leave it to completely cool down, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours, the time you need. And later we're gonna mix everything, okay? See you when my syrup is ready. Completely cool down. It looks like water. Now, oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, take one of these, because if you have something inside, you know, it's better. See? And now pour everything inside. Okay, it's already super nice. Now I'm gonna try to put everything inside again, okay? Oh yeah, guys. Beautiful. Now this one at least 1 week again in the dark and in the room temperature. I gonna leave him even 2-3 because I like gonna sometimes go there, mix a little bit, and your this is called in Italian fragolino because the strawberry is a fragola, but your strawberry liqueur is almost done. Okay, we're gonna see when we're gonna try it. Okay, in a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, I gonna when I try, I'm gonna be more precise. See you later, guys. After 3 weeks, my fragolino is for me it's ready. I say this you can leave even 1 week, but I left a little bit more because I like gonna be very nice. And now what we're gonna do, last step, I wanna put in the bottle, filter a little bit again in case something, and just now is the moment. Now is the moment. Absolutely wow. Delicious. Wow. Very, very, very good. Very good. Absolutely delicious. Guys, what can I say? My fragolino or strawberry digestive is this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.